Wedding alerts. Yes, wedding bells are ringing in Aam Aadmi Party. Yes, with a chunk of its young leaders set to work the issue in the coming months. The latest addition to the newly married AAP legislator club will be Education Minister Harjot Bains, who is set to get hitched to Punjab cadre IPS officer Jyoti Yadav in a couple of a week. The Anandapur Sahid MLA got engaged to Jyoti on Sunday. Bains will be the second minister to get married while the office after the Aam Aadmi Party assumed power to Punjab after a stellar performance in the 2022 assembly polls. Earlier in July last, Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann tied the knot with Dr. Gurpreet Kaur, who hail from Kurukshetra district in Haryana. This is Mann's second marriage. He has separated from his first wife in 2015 and has two children from her. At least three others ruling party MLAs including Narendra Kaur Bharaj, Ranveer Singh Bullar and Narendra Paul Singh Swana got married after AAP formed government. While 29 years old, Bharaj, party's youngest MLA from Sangrur, got married to AAP leader Mandeep Singh Lakhwal in October 8 last year. Firozpur Urban Constituency MLA Ranveer Singh Bullar got remarried on January 30 this year. Bullar's wife has passed away nearly 2.5 years ago. Fazilka MLA Swana tied the knot on Republic Day this year. After Baint, it will be the turn of AAP's Bagha Purana MLA Amritpal Singh Sukhanand to get married. Sukhanand also got engaged recently to a girl who holds permanent residency of Canada. The wedding date is yet to be announced. Sukhanand's marriage plans created a buzz in the budget sessions recently when he asked a question to Sports Minister Gurmeet Singh Meet Hayat about a playground in his constituency, and Speaker Kultar Singh Sandhwa is a lighter vein, asked the minister to give announced to the MLA that playground will be ready before his marriage. Interestingly, Hayar is also on the list of party's most eligible bachelor. Hayar, who is often asked questioned about his marriage plans, usually replies that he was waiting for an appropriate time. As many as 11 AAP MLAs in the Punjab Assembly are below the age of 35. News Desk report TNL News.